Hello, my name is Kelly Hicks and welcome to my video. We're going to look at one of my properties I have for sale at Woodhaven, section 21, lot 250. There is one front pin. I'm going to walk right past it. There we go. It's a 2005 Quailridge, 2-bedroom, no loft. Very nice trailer. So I'm walking up the hill here. I'm going to show you where the back borders are, because this is a big lot, big deep lot. You've got a concrete patio up here, which is kind of cool. Picnic table. An older functional shed. Needs a couple things done to the doors. Right there is the one pin, and you see there's an orange flag and a pink tag. And way over there, I'll just go over there. Is the other pin right there. And the final pin is down there. We're about 8 feet on our own lot here. Again, this is section 21, lot 250. It's a 2005 Quailridge, 2-bedroom. I sold it new. Has a LP gas pig, 50 amp electric, underground water, 2-ton AC. I'm walking down the property line, in case anybody was wondering. There it is. Still got the survey stake on it. Right there. We got a 20-foot culvert. You could easily make that 40 if you want. Plenty of parking. Well, as long as I'm filming, we may as well go on in. Let's have a look at the 2005 Quailridge. This is a nice blank slate. Somebody could build a nice deck here and make it your own. Spend your stimulus money. So the back door leads into the master bedroom. This is the queen bed, his and hers wardrobe, signature Quailridge wardrobe. Got lights in the closet. Got the electrical panel behind the mirror right here. We're showing the electric panel. Lights in the closet. Nice big closet. We'll call them his and hers wardrobe. Or you can call them hers and hers. Got a ceiling fan in here. Carpet in the bedrooms in the front room. Nice big bathroom. You got a one-piece fiberglass tub surround. See it in here? One piece fiberglass. Skylight overhead. Exhaust fan. There you go. I just turned it on. Medicine cabinet. There you go. House type toilet. Just what you need. 56,000 BTU furnace. Hall closet. Plenty of room for coats, vacuum, brooms. 18.5 cubic foot fridge. If you got any kids, they can stay in here. They got their own closet, their own bunk bed. How's that? And if they're in trouble or isolating, just close the door on them. Just like that. Okay. Out here, 30-inch range, 30-inch microwave. Table and 4 chairs. Nice chandelier. Shelf to display some of your goodies. Look at all the cabinets in here. Cabinet, cabinet, cabinet. Cabinet. Big cabinet. Big cabinet. Drawers, 4 drawers. What do we got up here? More cabinet. More cabinet. Look at all that cabinet. Then you got a sleeper sofa. Nice view out the front. I like that about this. There's your entertainment center. It fits probably a 32-inch TV. You had to work on it a little if you want something bigger. Or I'll be glad to work on it for you. Got a ceiling fan out here too. 6-foot patio door. Swivel rocker. End table and lamp. Looking around. You got me sitting on the sofa. Okay. Well, that pretty well sums it up. We toured the whole lot. Section 21, lot 250. Had it listed for $31,900. And it's a bargain. Being as trailers like this cost $50,000 to $60,000 nowadays. It's like getting the property for free. Bunk room. Bathroom. Hall closet. Check that out. Master bedroom. I think we already walked around it once, but we'll walk around it again. Why not? Got an outside spigot. 56,000 BTU furnace. Lights by both doors. 125 gallon LP gas pig. Underground water and electric. 2.5 ton central AC. It's gray with white trim, white skirting. It was a one owner. I sold it new. Well kept. And they bought their second new trailer from me too. They went for a loft the next time around. So there you have it. Thanks for looking.